This is the man, this is the spice man. The best spice shop in Mumbai.
Thank you.
So many of you who know the channel will know that I'm a massive Indian curry fan, cooking curry all the time. I love it. So while I'm in Mumbai, I thought to myself, well, while in Rome even, isn't it? I'll pick up some spices, you know, top up for the kitchen and that. So I popped down to Crawford Market. I'll talk to you about Crawford Market in a minute. It's a really sort of old place. Went to this spice shop and it just blew my mind. I'm like a kid in a candy shop. I mean, what I really want to explain is the difference in quality of all the spices, whole and powders, that I get back home to what I've experienced here in this video. It's just a different level. So for me, yeah, kid in a candy shop for sure. So Crawford Market is about 150 years old. It's a really famous place in Mumbai. About 500 units inside and about another 500 outside. They're currently building a new construction to house the ones outside as well. They're not going to touch the old building because it really is, you know, a sort of heritage place. It's just an incredible old place built by the Brits years and years ago. So that's the market. And yeah, you'll find everything in there, and pretty much anything you want you're going to find in there, but spices, foods, rices, pulses, beans, whatever. You'll also find some clothing and I mean everything really. But yeah, that's Crawford Market. So look, let's get back to the spices. Now, I was totally blown away with the quality of the spices, the aromas. They're so pungent, they're just amazing. Now this place is called the King of Spice, and yeah, for a reason. That's no BS at all. So look, they sat me down, they gave me a nice masala chai tea, and the owner just opened up every single jar there, opened up every one, spoke to me about it. I stuck it in my face, I had a good old sniff, just incredible. Like the green cardamom pods, for example, were just really wonderful. The cinnamon, the star anise, the cumin. The cumin, wow, that was just amazing. You know, it just went on and on. You know, then we went over to the curry powders. Now I don't normally use curry powders. I use kind of individual spices, but the selection he had, and again the aromas, I couldn't resist buying some. So just super. Yeah, buy cheap, buy twice. But the difference is really what I want to kind of get over to you guys. It is just outstanding. I mean, the quality is just beautiful stuff. I am a very lucky boy.